Today we will have a look at the CASIO key lighting system LK-110. The display is broken, keys are missing, all these pieces are being chewed. 9-volt power supply, center negative. Turn it on, and it's on. All the keys working. What is this? Piece of plastic with a grease on it. So yeah, as you can see, everything works. Change the sound. Anyways, we have 100 tones, 100 percussions, and 100 demo songs. But I don't know why they are focusing on the demo songs. They listed every single one, while these they just grouped them from 0 to 9 piano, 10 to 19 organ, guitar, etc, etc. The bad thing about this keyboard and similar models is they don't have the plus and minus, so when you choose you have to dial the numbers. You cannot increment and decrement with the digits. This one has a voice sampling, so you can record your own voice, but you need to add the microphone, which goes here, and we have volume for the microphone, and this is the microphone jack. It says here mic in. As you can see, the screen is all black, it's broken. These are the song bank. You choose a rhythm and the tone, the tempo, the key lights, turn it on and off, and the demo songs. Again, you cannot change the song, you have to choose manually. Tempo. Tempo doesn't work with the demo songs by the look of it. Here we have a 3-step lesson, so there are 3 steps, and here you can. Yeah, so now we chose the lesson. You can see, I don't know if you can see the key is sliced up. Okay, I made the room dimmer so it will be easier to see the light. let's see what's the difference. Here does not stop. You get the idea. And this is the third keyboard of this model, the LK-110 that I got. I got two before, but I got rid of them a long time ago, but they were in better shape than this one. So I don't remember if I made I don't think I made a video about tearing it down. So well, let's do this today. Okay, these are the switches, the slider. This is the microphone volume slider, and this is the power switch, the main volume, and these are the buttons. The speakers are not bad, made by CASIO, 3 watts each. We have more keys here. Okay, can we get... Do we have all the keys? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I think I opened this before, and I placed these keys here. So how many keys are missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 keys missing. Yeah, I think I can get some keys to put here, but I need these ones. I have another keyboard which is also an LK model, and I need these keys. I will take them from this one and put them in that one, because this one is, I don't think, worth restoring. It will be a donor keyboard. We'll use it for parts only. that's what's underneath. Nothing on the other side. Lead re-solder. Anyways, I will take these keys and use them for the other keyboard. We'll give these a clean and repurpose them. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.